Imagine a robot that can learn from its mistakes, adapt to new situations, and generate creative solutions. That's the future of robotics, powered by generative AI. Generative AI is a new type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, such as text, images, and code. It's already revolutionizing the way we work and play, and now it's coming to robots. NVIDIA, the leading maker of graphics processing units, is at the forefront of this development. NVIDIA's Jetson platform is already powering millions of robots worldwide, and now it's adding generative AI capabilities. This is a game changer for robotics. Generative AI can enable robots to learn faster, adapt to new situations, and even perform creative tasks that were previously impossible. In this video, we'll explore how NVIDIA is bringing generative AI to robots and what it means for the future of this exciting technology. Generative AI, the game changer for robotics. Generative AI is a powerful new technology that has the potential to revolutionize robotics. NVIDIA is at the forefront of this revolution, with its Jetson platform providing the edge computing power needed to run generative AI models in real time. Generative AI can help robots learn faster, adapt to new environments, and interact with the world in more intelligent ways. For example, generative AI can be used to train robots to perform new tasks without the need for human intervention, help robots navigate complex and dynamic environments, allow robots to interact with humans in a more natural and intuitive way, detect defects and anomalies in products and processes. NVIDIA's Jetson platform makes generative AI accessible to many robotics developers, from startups to large enterprises. This is opening up new possibilities for robotics innovation and accelerating the adoption of robots in a wide range of industries. Here's a specific example of how generative AI is being used in robotics today. NVIDIA and its partners are developing a new system for real-time asset tracking using generative AI. This system can track the movement of objects in a warehouse or factory setting, even if they are occluded or partially hidden from view. The system uses generative AI to create synthetic images of the environment and then compare to live camera footage to identify and track objects. This system has the potential to revolutionize the way that inventory is managed and workflows are optimized in manufacturing and logistics. It can also be used to improve safety and security in industrial settings. Human-robot interaction with generative AI. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize human-robot interaction by enabling robots to be more natural, communicative, and adaptable. For example, generative AI can be used to create robots that can understand and respond to human language more naturally. This could be used to develop robots to serve as customer service representatives, companions, or even teachers, generate realistic and engaging virtual worlds for robots to interact with. This could be used to train robots in a safe and controlled environment or to create new experiences for entertainment and education. Personalize the way robots interact with each individual. This could be used to make robots more helpful and efficient or to make them more enjoyable to interact with simply. Here are some specific examples of how generative AI is being used to improve human-robot interaction today. Robots that can have conversations with humans. NVIDIA's Isaac Sim software is being used to train robots to have conversations with humans naturally and engagingly. Robots that can learn from human demonstrations. NVIDIA's Isaac SDK is being used to develop robots that can learn to perform new tasks by observing human demonstrations. Robots that can adapt to their environment. NVIDIA's Isaac ROS robotics framework is used to develop robots that can perceive and understand their environment and then plan and execute actions accordingly. Overall, generative AI has the potential to make robots more useful, efficient, and enjoyable to interact with. This could lead to a wider range of robot applications and a more positive relationship between humans and robots. How generative AI is transforming robotics. Generative AI is transforming robotics in several ways. First is making it easier to teach robots new skills. With generative AI, robots can learn from a few examples rather than having to be explicitly programmed for every task. This is making robots more versatile and adaptable, and is opening up new possibilities for their use in a wider range of applications. Second, generative AI is improving the autonomy of robots. Generative AI models can generate realistic simulations of the world, which robots can use to train themselves to make better decisions in real-world environments. This is making robots more capable of operating without human intervention. Third, generative AI is enabling robots to interact with the world in more natural and intuitive ways. For example, generative AI can be used to generate realistic human-like speech and gestures, which can make robots more engaging and easier to interact with. Here are some specific examples of how generative AI is being used in robotics today. Real-time asset tracking. Generative AI can track the movement of objects in real time, even in cluttered or challenging environments. This is useful for various applications such as inventory management, warehouse automation, and autonomous vehicles. Autonomous planning and navigation. Generative AI can help robots plan and navigate their way around complex environments. This is useful for applications such as self-driving cars, delivery robots, and search and rescue robots. Human-robot interaction. Generative AI can enable robots to communicate and interact with humans in more natural and intuitive ways. This is important for applications such as customer service, education, and healthcare. Defect detection. Generative AI can be used to train robots to detect defects in products and materials. This is useful for applications such as quality control and manufacturing automation. Overall, generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the field of robotics. By making robots more versatile, adaptable, autonomous, and intelligent, generative AI opens up new possibilities for use in various applications. The future of generative AI in robotics. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the field of robotics. By enabling robots to learn from data and generate new solutions independently, generative AI can help robots become more autonomous, intelligent, and adaptable. One of the most promising areas for generative AI in robotics is in robotic design and prototyping. Generative AI algorithms can be used to create new robot designs that are more efficient, effective, and durable. They can also be used to generate prototypes of new designs quickly and cheaply, allowing engineers to test and iterate on their ideas more quickly. Another promising area for generative AI in robotics is robot learning and adaptation. Generative AI algorithms can help robots learn new tasks and adapt to new environments more quickly and efficiently. For example, generative AI algorithms can train robots to perform tasks that are difficult or impossible to program explicitly, such as assembling complex objects or navigating cluttered environments. Generative AI can also be used to improve the performance of robots in existing applications. For example, generative AI can be used to develop new algorithms for defect detection, object recognition, and path planning. These new algorithms can help robots to perform their tasks more accurately and efficiently. Overall, the future of generative AI in robotics is very bright. Generative AI has the potential to revolutionize the way that robots are designed, built, and used. As generative AI algorithms continue to improve, we can expect to see robots that are more intelligent, autonomous, and adaptable than ever before. Here are some specific examples of how generative AI is being used in robotics today. Real-time asset tracking. Generative AI can track assets in real time, even in cluttered or dynamic environments. This can be useful for applications such as inventory management, warehouse automation, and delivery robotics. Autonomous planning and navigation. Generative AI can be used to help robots plan and navigate their way around complex environments. This can be useful for self-driving cars, delivery robots, and industrial robots. Human-robot interaction. Generative AI can improve how robots interact with humans. This can be useful for applications such as customer service robots, assistive robots, and educational robots. Defect detection. Generative AI can detect defects in products and materials more accurately and efficiently than traditional methods. This can be useful for applications such as quality control, manufacturing, and construction. These are just a few examples of how generative AI is used in robotics today. As generative AI algorithms continue improving, we expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look at the future of generative AI in robotics. If you're interested in learning more, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on this and other exciting topics in AI.